tremendous number of leaks around Google's latest smartphones, but specifically around the Pixel 3 XL. Now, we're getting another leak, this time showing off the Pixel 3 XL retail box. Thanks to a Facebook page, we're getting our first look at the Pixel 3 XL retail box. This is one of the few aspects of the phone that hasn't leaked before today, and it doesn't really show much of a change in design from last year's Pixel phones. The new design for the Pixel 3 XL retail box shares the same basic idea as the Pixel 2, showing the phone itself on the front. There's also a two-tone design, the Pixel 3 XL name, and the Google G logo. The Google Pixel 3 XL features a 6.2-inch screen that supports Quad HD Plus resolution. The bottom bezels of the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL feature the second front-facing speaker. The upper display corners of the Google Pixel 3 XL have been rounded, with a larger radius compared to the bottom. As far as internals are concerned, the Snapdragon 845 chipset and 4GB of RAM are tipped to power both phones. Both smartphones may feature an inbuilt storage of 64GB. However, rumors also hint on the existence of 128GB storage models for both handsets. The Pixel 3 XL will deliver Android 9 Pie out-of-the-box experience. Various smartphone manufacturers are offering 2 or 3 rear cameras, but the Pixel 3 XL will be coming with single rear camera. The computational photography technology will allow the Pixel 3 series to rival with dual and triple rear camera smartphones. The Pixel 3 XL will come with glass rear with two-tone design and a metallic frame. Previous reports have claimed that Pixel 3 and 3 XL will be respectively priced at $649 and $749. There are plenty of close-ups of the notched display and matte glass back, though. Google is set to debut the Pixel 3 XL and the Pixel 3 on October 9 at an event in New York City. Both devices are also confirmed to go up for pre-order that same day. So guys, what's your opinion on the appearance of the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL smartphones? Share us your thoughts by posting your comments down below.